Welcome back everybody to a Little Urban Apothecary channel. Today we're going to make an all-natural beard balm or beard wax, as some people would like to call it, using purely essential oils and all-natural ingredients. So I'm going to make a batch of 6, but what I will share with you, if you simply just want to make one, I will break it down exactly what ingredients you need to make one. But for this video, I'm making a batch of 6. So to get us started, I'm going to add, and this is what you'll need for one, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. I have, of course, 6 tablespoons, so I'm going to add that to my Pyrex mixing bowl. Next ingredient we're going to put into our beard balm is avocado oil. So for your individual one, you'll wish to add 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. And of course I'm adding 4 tablespoons for my batch. Next is castor oil. So you're going to need 1 teaspoon of castor oil. And I'll make sure I provide you with a free recipe as well as the links where you can purchase these products for your project. Next ingredient, and a very important one, is beeswax. So here I have 100% all natural beeswax. It's great for what I'm doing today. Soaps, food processing, candles, decoration, whatever you wish to use. So for you making your one, all you need to add is 1 tablespoon of your natural beeswax. This is what's going to help give this wonderful product the balmy feel or the waxy feel. And a balm, I call mine scruff stuff because it's simply that. It's going to help you guys that have some scruff on your face, and some guys maybe have more scruff than others, but what it will help to do is of course moisturize it, but most importantly it helps to tame your scruff. Kind of keep it in the place where you want to. Some guys like to do different things with their mustaches, and so it's great for that if you want to give it a kind of twist on the ends, or just kind of tame it down if you've got some wiry and woolly little hairs. This will help kind of keep everything in place in the direction that you need it to go. So the next ingredient we're going to add is shea butter. Shea butter is wonderful for skin. So for this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Add that to the mixture. Make sure we clean out and don't waste any product. And last but not least, to give this beard balm that I chose to make some wonderful smell, I'm going to add in 3 different types of pure 100% essential oil. And what I have in my little container here, I have a mixture, and the first one is considered the top note of the product from an essential oil perspective, and it will be lemongrass. And who doesn't love the smell of lemongrass? It's uplifting, it's refreshing. I find it calming. The second note, which is considered the middle note, is black pepper. And the last note, or the base note, or the last oil we're going to add, is cedarwood. So what I have mixed here, and what you'll need, is approximately 12 to 15 drops of lemongrass for your one container. From a black pepper perspective, you're going to need between 8 and 12 teaspoons. You can kind of go by the smell. And the cedar wood essential oil, you're going to want to add between 5 and 10. And you're going to mix this after we melt down this mixture. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel, and I will be back momentarily. So our mixture is starting to melt, as you can tell. Got kind of a rapid boiling going on here. I'm just going to turn it down just a little bit. You want to keep just slowly stirring. Just be very careful. You use stovetop safety. And I'm just going to keep stirring here until all the little wax bits are melted down totally, so that's going to probably be like another 5 minutes or so. So I've got our mixture here, and I've created this little water bath. I'm going to slowly melt all the ingredients so that it's almost kind of clear and see-through, so that they'll be ready to pour into these cute little 60 ml tin containers that I have. They have cute little screw-on lids that look like this, and I have a little logo on there. So once this is all solidified, I will add in the blend of essential oils. So once again, it was lemongrass, black pepper, and cedarwood. Okay, so now I've got everything melted down nice and clear. I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to make sure my oven's completely turned off. Move this out of the way. And here's the time that we're going to add all the essential oils. So once again, we have a mixture of lemongrass, black pepper, and cedarwood. Get every little bit out we can. Don't want to waste any oils. It smells wonderful. I'm going to give it a stir, and then we're going to pour it into our containers. Be very careful when you're doing this part. Make sure you fill them up to the top as best you can. Got a little tiny bit left, so I'm just going to make sure these little guys are filled right up. I don't want to miss any little drops of goodness. There we go. And what I'd like to do, I like to leave them for 24 hours before putting their lids on, just in case there's moisture in our mixture, and I want that to all evaporate before I seal it tight. But when we're done, you're going to put on your little lid like this one, screw your top, and then you're all done, ready to use. So I'll provide more information in the descriptions part of this video, where you can purchase all these lovely all-natural ingredients, including the essential oil. Once again, thank you for your time today, and have an opportunity to look at some of our other videos, please do, and appreciate you subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day.